I'm watching the market. The market's up today. After a few days of decline, the market is finally pulling back up and quite nicely. Look at that start. Nasdaq is up 1.9%. S&P is up 1.2%. However, I do not trust the market. For me, it looks more like some people will do some kind of profit taking now. So I think there's a good chance we're going to see the market coming down. So I'm looking for a good short opportunity like Tesla. And I'm just about to short it. I'm at 301 right now, shorting it. I'm taking a 2-point stop loss over 303. So with 500 shares, I'm risking approximately $1,000, and so far it does not look so good. I was hoping to see the market coming down. It started resting a bit. Maybe I was a little bit premature here. Anyway, there's a nice reversal here. No, it's moving higher. I'll have to stop it over 303. It's getting close. Oh, please don't go to Tesla. It's over. I'm out. Well, I do have a $900 loser in Tesla, but I'm still looking at the market and I'm still looking for a failure. I don't think the market should continue higher for now. MU is an interesting opportunity because MU, unlike Tesla, which was up over 2%, MU is down 0.9, and I would like to short it under 28.75. Watch the buyers here. Once they move under 75, getting ready, now I'm short. I'm short 4,000 shares, MU. Hope the market will come down too. Amazon is looking great. I would like to short it very soon. The market finally coming down now. So I'm looking for a good opportunity. It's very, very spready, of course. So relatively very small size. I'm taking a big risk here. Approximately 10 points. I'll be shorting 500 shares. I think it's finally coming down now. I'm about to shorting now. I'm short 500 shares, taking approximately a 10 point stop loss, maybe 15. Baba looks great as the market's starting to come down and hopefully will continue now. I would like to short Baba at around the 133 area. I'd like to see it coming under 133. I'll be shorting 2,000 shares. About to click the button. Now, well, did not go through. I was hoping to see Baba coming under 133. That was quite close. For a second there, I thought it was coming down. It did not. Well, it still looks great. The market is coming down, so Baba should respond to that. My target is 1 point, 132, or very close to 132 because it's a whole number. So I would like to take my partial very close to 132. And I think we're having some kind of a bear flag right now. And will we see the breakdown under 133? Yes, we did. Good, great. So let's hope it's going to continue now. And here we go, 50 cents. Good, 80 cents. I'm looking for a partial real quick now. I'll be covering 1,800 shares. No, pullback. I lost my chance. Amazon is looking great. My stop was right over here at the 1,400 and I actually was saved. The market's still coming down. I would like to add another 200 shares. Now, I'm getting a confirmation now that Amazon really wants to come down, and the market now is coming down. The market came down even when Amazon was moving up, but I think Amazon should finally respond to the market. I added. Amazon's doing great. Broke down under this recent support. And I did reach my target at the 1380, but I'm now waiting for another breakdown because the market continued to come down. And as it comes down, Amazon should come. Here we go. Another breakdown here under 1380. I'm short 700 shares. I'm taking a big risk here, but I did get some kind of a confirmation that I didn't get earlier, both from the market and from Amazon. As you can see, Amazon is just trending lower very, very nicely in a very, very clear way. And I'm just looking for the right point now to cover 600 of my 700 shares. I'm watching the buyers, watching the sellers. Look at the sellers coming down. Right now at 177, just moved to 176. If I'm going to see a fair sign of a pullback, back to 77, it's not good. I'll have to take my partial really soon if it moves up now. 78, clicking. Got my partial at 1378. Very nice trade in Amazon. Left just 100 shares. Market keeps coming down, so I'm with the market. Baba stop is over 133. I did not get my 132 target, and I hope I'm not going to see it now over 133. Small topping tail now. Hopefully it will continue down. Now Baba is trending lower, so I should hold for this pullback here, and I'm also waiting for the market to continue to move down. The market is moving down. The market looks great. It's moving down, and Baba should finally respond to that. But my stop loss was very, very close, over 133. I was risking 1 point. Now a very long topping tail. That's a good sign. Earlier I was waiting for 132. And Baba looks like it may be returning now, very close to the 132 mark. But this time, if it's going to hit 132, I'm not going to take my partial. I'm looking for a breakdown under 132. I survived this pullback. Hopefully I survived this pullback. And if I did, and if it's going to return to the 132, it will break under. Because now the market keeps coming down. Here comes the 132 and we're under. Good, great. I'm getting ready for my partial. I'm going to cover 1800 shares. Good, here comes another 30 cents under 132, another 40 cents. Any pullback now? Now. Okay, great trade in Baba. Somehow saved with this pullback here. Market keeps coming down. I was right about market direction. Sadly, Tesla earlier was a little bit premature. I just asked my trading room members how they're doing, and look at the results here. We've got over 70% in green territory. It's just the first hour, so things can change, but over 70% is a great result. And I just asked them to show how much money they're making today. So as you can see here, Thomas is up $1,100. And we have 149 on Apple. I didn't trade Apple today. Brian's up $1,300, 260, down 104. So most guys are doing great. Happy, very happy to see that. And MU finally coming down. I was looking for more really, but I'm going to be very happy with almost 20 cents. Clicking now. Have my partial in MU. I was looking for more, but I took it quite a long time to come down. Finally did. I'm glad. Now let's go back and take a look at the market, because what I want you to take from this lesson here today, and it is a lesson, it's not just to show you how much money I make, because I do lose money too. On average, I lose 1 out of 5 trading days, but it has nothing to do with how much I make. It has more to do with what you should do and what you should take from this lesson. And what you should learn here is market direction. Investors and institutional traders are following the market. This is the S&P 500 that you're seeing here. So if the S&P 500 is moving up, and I'm not going to get into details because we do that in our Star Trader course, the market is the barometer of the stocks that you're trading, meaning if the S&P is moving up, institutional traders are buying. And since they are buying, most shares will come up with the market. If the market is coming down, it is very, very likely that the stocks that you're trading will come down too. So you should at all times watch the S&P 500. You should also watch the Nasdaq, but I'm not going to get into details as well. But the main tool is the S&P 500. You should watch the S&P 500, and if you have a reason to think that it should change its direction, just like I did today, and again, I'm not going to talk to you about why I thought so. Well, it was because the market was a little bit extended, and recently the market came down, and I thought the trend should continue, and I thought that 2% up would be a good idea for some people to take profits. But again, it has nothing to do with that. If I expected the market to come down, I should be looking for shorts. Even though strong companies up 3%, whatever, I'm looking at the market. The market, in my opinion, should come down. I'll be shorting. I'm getting my confirmation from the market. That's how I get more than the usual 50% chance to succeed. If I'm shorting stocks when the market is coming down, I'm going to get more than 60, maybe even more than 70% chance to succeed because I have some backwind. I'm trading with market direction, and that's what you should do too. Always trade with market direction. Always look at the S&P 500. Always look for change of direction. And your homework, yeah, you have some homework coming out of this lesson too. Take a good look at the market direction S&P 500 and the stock that you're trading. Just go through some hours sometimes of watching both of them and trying to figure out what's going to happen to the stock that you're trading based on what the market's doing. You will be surprised. I'm doing good today, traders. $6,600 in Amazon, 23 in Baba. I have a loser in Tesla. End result, $8,700 in just 61 minutes. I'm really having a great day.
Thank you for watching our video. Before you go, we invite you to join the TradeNet trading room for a free 14-day trial. TradeNet has educated more than 30,000 professional traders worldwide since 2004, and its trading room is one of the world's leading trading communities. Click here to start your free trial. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can view many more stock trading videos. Questions or comments, please submit them below.